So today we're going to be making one of the most ordered Chinese takeout foods. Rightio, so today we're going to be making Chinese wonton soup, and I love how the wonton wrappers just get so soft and the inside is nice and textured, and I'm actually going to be using konjac to try and mimic the texture and flavor of shrimp, so it should be quite fun, and I think it actually turned out really well, so I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So the recipe for a traditional wonton is actually pretty complex, and it includes kind of dried fish flakes, and you have dried pork bones. It's a really big mix of flavors all together. I'm gonna simplify it for you guys all today. I'm gonna take a 1/4 pound of extra firm tofu because I don't want any of the additional liquid, and I'm just gonna crumble it. And then afterwards, I'm going to place it into the refrigerator for a couple of hours just to dry out some more before I use it for the filling. So I've mixed the tofu with 1 teaspoon of vegan pork bouillon powder, which you guys can substitute for a vegetable bouillon if you don't have that. And I'm just gonna mash it all together and then leave it aside for right around 10 minutes so that the flavors can soak through before I add something like this. So I have a couple tablespoons of konnyaku here, and that is konjac jelly that has been flavored with seaweed. And I actually cooked it first, just under some boiling water for a couple of minutes because it firms all of that up. I will put the information to konjac jelly down below, but it really kind of mimics a shrimp texture really well, and some people actually really like it, so I'd love to get you guys' opinions on that. So for a wonton wrapper, it needs to be a square shape. So take a look at what I'm doing. I'm wetting the sides and then just bringing it up into a triangle in the middle. Meanwhile, I'm just pushing in the sides and then kind of very casually, sort of even like messily folding it in. And the idea behind wontons is that it's supposed to be like really casual, really quick, and that is the look that you're going for. Now, in terms of these wonton wrappers, a lot of them have eggs in it. So if you can find kind of just a wheat and water substitute, that would be a really good one to buy. And then at this point, this can either be frozen or you can start cooking it in a pot of water. So just a couple minutes under a very light rolling boil. I'd say that this is a little too strong right now, just because the wrappers are so thin and they kind of explode very easily. So these ending condiments are crucial to any kind of wonton soup. I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of both the Lee Kum Kee Double Deluxe soy sauce as well as the Lee Kum Kee sesame oil. I'm adding a little bit of leeks, and these all really go into the flavor of the noodles and the soup. So this is konjac jelly noodles because I thought it would go well with the konjac jelly, and it's an excellent, actually kind of like a weight loss, like keeping you full kind of noodle as well. I have some bok choy here, and then finally just a little bit of vegetable broth that I cooked with some kombu. The actual soup in a wonton soup is also very complex as well, but I kind of find that when you add in the soy sauce and the sesame oil, it kind of takes away a lot of the intricacies of it anyways, so I find that just like a very easy vegetable broth will do. Some people swear by konjac jelly as a substitute for seafood. It's a little bit jiggly for me, but I do think that the flavor is really on point. So I'd love to see if you guys have tried konjac jelly before and what you guys think about that. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this wonton noodle recipe, and as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!